Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. My name is Zach and I just drove a fifth of 1,700 miles for this salacious selection of rare Toyota Celica parts. How can I source this selection of salacious Celica parts for a bargain without going bankrupt? Well, you're about to find out. Few secrets in this world are poorer kept than my love of cars, and my passion for these simple tin cans roots all the way back to high school, when I saw things I couldn't afford to buy, but I might be able to afford to fix. Cars. Classic ones, that is. From a blue 74 F100 to a 92 Sentra SER, many of my dreams have at least started to germinate in the soil of my soul, but not this one. My 1977 Toyota Celica. Years and years ago, I had bought a 1977 Celica liftback, much like this one. I paid $900 for it, and at the time, that felt like a lot of money. I knew nothing about cars and less about life and hard work. But as my poor maintenance of that classic Japanese Mustang caught up to me, the reality of becoming a man was not far behind. I sold the car with a clutch issue for $1,300, and I thought I had made out like a bandit, but dreams never sleep. I grew up, left the state, and every couple of years I'd see another one for sale. Worse than the one I'd sold and better than my budget would allow. Had I made a mistake? Should I have sold that car? More than 15 years has passed since I sold that Toyota, and just last year I found the perfect car. It had rust, frame damage, it had a lien against the title, no title in hand, no keys, and hadn't run in over 30 years. What made it perfect though? I could afford it. And here I am once more, staring down the barrel of building something great, but the cars alone are hard to find. What about parts? Possible? Not likely. But as I persevered through this seemingly impossible feat, an angel reached out. Well, more of just a Celica guy. His name is Les, and he told me that he was selling some parts. Not just some parts, a lot of parts. And that's how we ended up in Nampa, Idaho. They forgot the roof.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Broadway Avenue.
So we made it to Nampa, and because we're nothing if not fiscally responsible, we booked the most, let's just call it, economical hotel we could find. The concierge was actually a cobweb, and I'm pretty sure the wallpaper has seen more history than a museum. I'm just hoping the morning light confirms we're still on this plane of existence. Will we live to tell the tale of these sweet car parts deals? Tune in tomorrow. Maverick, adventure's first stop. Steak burritos, Moab burrito, sausage burrito, steak burrito. As we counted our organs and consumed our convenience store cooking, we said goodbye to the Nampa Inn and Suites and headed out to Les's place. This GPS has been messing me up. I don't know if Idaho has Skynet yet or something. Doesn't seem like it. We are in the world, and I'm about to meet some guy who just commented on a video of mine. So if this video doesn't, keep going, then you know what happened. Well, all right, that's probably good. In 1,000 feet, my destination will be on the right. I imagine there's probably going to be some Celicas. He said he got in trouble for having too many cars, so this is my kind of guy. Oh, so there's the BRZ he was telling me his niece is building. Oh, dude, Mustang.
Oh, there's a Celica.
Oh my gosh. Look at her. Oh, wow. Oh, dude, and there's the off-road one, and then there's a freaking Datsun Roadster. Sick, dude. All right, I was hoping, was that barking? I was hoping there was a dog.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No, I'm saying. You're telling me there's 0 dogs.
There's zero dogs.
This is not, I'm gonna be honest.
Honestly,
I'm just gonna leave. Yeah. It's the sound of my people over there. Ew. Dude, whoa. This RAV4 is insane. This is a RAV4 Celica. So this is the 350 car, huh?
Yep. I don't have battery, but I can put a battery.
Dude, with the backup camera?
Oh, of course.
I like the wheels, dude. Old. Oh my gosh. That is in there.
But I would put the
Yeah.
there. Now, I do have to make spacers so my grill will go in.
Yeah. Wow.
But except for the last 3 years, so I had to get it starting. The carburetor's running a little rough still, and I made my own headers.
You made these yourself?
Yeah, I tried several and none of them worked. So then
You get to a point of frustration, you gotta make it happen.
together.
Oh,
I
and
had
then
to change.
you pulled the hood out a little bit too, huh?
Yeah,
Wow.
to make room for that.
Yeah. Wow.
I mean, all of this was done in the 90s,
Wow.
and I had only one of those 120 welders.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I have.
And the cutting torch. That's why this big piece here for my clutch is a big thick piece of steel. I need something strong.
Oh, yeah.
Flex. And that's about all I had.
I'll come take a look at it.
And a Chevy alternator. I've got a cut down Ford rack and pinion. I should have brought a light. But I used the same cross member. I just cut it out and reinforced it, and cut it out where the oil pan is, and
Wow.
reinforced it and mounted my rack and pinion to it.
Okay. Wow.
And then these are Nissan. And
Are these like 240 SX?
These are Z.
Oh, Z car. Okay.
And then if you look down there, see that? See that?
Yeah.
That was the piece that goes in front, and this is fireplace dampener.
Oh.
And then I used to make the down plates, and then I put that the plate that was up front, just the cone part.
Yeah.
I put it in here, and so my torsion rods come back here.
Oh.
And I've got a Z kit that's all aluminum. So
Really?
there's no play in those.
Oh, okay, like the spherical bushing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's
You got to
cool.
take them apart and move them. Everything.
So this is a handler then.
Yeah, it's very good. It's hard to steer if it's stopped. Get in it, try to steer it. I should have went.
Wow, this door opens so nice compared to mine. I guess I
should have. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I might need the key.
Oh, it's trying to bind up and then it just doesn't.
But I could move some. It's right now been used as storage for the other project.
Oh, we got the Broadway mirror. Dude, this thing is a. Here we go.
Here's the step lid.
Okay, cool. Wow.
There's a door,
Okay.
and it's as good as the one I've got on mine because
Yeah.
I've got the driver's side.
Yeah, I was noticing the brown.
There's
right
seat
there.
belts and some trim is in here.
Yeah, they're nice. It's the
See, but if you pick that up and look, there's hardly.
Okay.
It's just a little surface rust.
So this is about what mine is. Let's see. Yeah, see this right here, that's nice. And then I'm sure that this one's, I just don't want to drop the, yeah.
And
so
here's the metal piece.
These bars just don't even exist in mine.
That's the metal piece that goes above. These are the side panels.
Oh.
In this moment, it's more than a transaction. These are pieces of history, honored and passed on, a testament to the enduring love for these cars and a mutual respect. Les has completed his chapter with these parts, and he's truly glad to see them continue their story in a new Celica's journey back to glory.
You can't.
I don't have the lid.
You can't give that to me. There's no. You don't need this? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
And no
No cuts.
cuts, no deterioration.
I want to give a big thank you to Les for holding on to all of these parts for so many years. These have sat in his garage for so long, and it seems like they've just been waiting for me and my journey with my Celica. I also want to give a shout out to everybody who's out there holding on to those valuable parts and keeping those interesting cars going. You're doing a great job, and even if it's not for you, it's going to be for somebody someday, and it's a really important thing that we don't forget about history or our own journeys. With a car full of treasures and a newfound friend, we hit the road. It's a long drive back, but every mile feels like a victory lap after a haul like this. This Celica's future just got a whole lot brighter, and we've got a great story to tell.